Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 and I'll show you how to link or unlink Siri from power button on our device. So first we should open the settings application and then scroll down and find Siri and search section. And now just to use Siri by press and hold for a while our power key button, we should use this switcher. So just to activate, to link Siri from power key to power key, we should click once on the switcher and tap enable Siri. Let's just click here to not now, and now just by press for a while the power key, we can see that the Siri feature is activated. If you wanna just turn it off, we should click here once again on the switcher and click to turn off Siri, and that's it. And now we can see that the Siri is turned off, and we can also turn it on by this way, just by click here turn on Siri. And now let's press it for a while. And we can see that the Siri is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.